everyone. Today I am going to explain you how our lung works. But before that, let us make a model of our lung. So for that, we are going to need a plastic bottle which is half cut, a straw, a balloon which is torn or cut, okay, a plasticine or a clay, and 2 rubber bands. First, we are going to take the straw and insert the balloon in the straw and then tie the balloon to the straw. Once the balloon is tied to the straw, we are going to take the bottle and put the straw through the bottle from the bottom. And then we are going to take the clay and pass it through the straw so that we can seal the bottle. So once the straw is passed through it, let us seal the bottle properly so that no air passes through the open bottle. Once that is done, remove the excess straw which has clay on it. You can cut it if you want or just pull the clay out of it. Then you are going to take the balloon, that is the torn balloon, and then you are going to tie it with the rubber band. Now our model of the lung is ready. Let's see how it works. When I pull this lower rubber band, you can see that the balloon gets inflated, and when I release it, the balloon gets deflated. Again, if you want to see, observe again. When I pull the diaphragm, the balloon gets inflated, and when I release it, the balloon gets deflated. Now let us understand how this is related to our lungs. When the air passes through the windpipe, it reaches our lungs, where the lungs get inflated, and at the lower there is a muscle called as the diaphragm which moves downwards, creating space for the lungs to inflate. And when it releases or it relaxes, the lungs get deflated, releasing the air out. That is when we exhale. So whenever we inhale, the diaphragm or the muscle gets pulled downwards, and therefore the lungs can take as much air as possible. And once we release, or when the diaphragm gets relaxed, the air passes out of the lungs. That is how our lungs work. I hope you understood how our lungs work.